I was so excited to receive this bathroom shelves organizer with a drawer from the brand because I always run out of space. And before I even talk about the storage itself, I have to mention the assembly. These were some of the clearest instructions I've ever received with the product. Usually, if something requires assembly, I end up asking my husband for help. This time, I put it together completely on my own without any issues. Once assembled, it's a really versatile storage cart. It has multiple shelves plus a drawer, so there's plenty of space for skincare, makeup, perfumes, hair products, or even bathroom essentials. I like that it's on wheels because, it makes it easy to move wherever you need it. You can use it in a bathroom, bedroom, laundry room, or really any small space that needs, a little extra organization. The open shelving also makes it really easy to see what you have instead of digging through cabinets or drawers. For me, this is one of those products that, helps make space feel less cluttered and more functional without taking up a huge amount of room. I also really appreciate the little drawer that comes with. It's really nice for smaller items that would otherwise get lost or create visual clutter. It gives you a place to tuck things away while keeping the overall setup really neat and organized. For me, this is just one of those products that helps make space feel less cluttered and more functional without taking up a huge amount of room. If you're looking for an organizer that's easy to assemble and works well for beauty products, skincare, or general household storage, this is really such a nice practical option and it just looks nice as well.